It's your boy Andy, always taking it easy, and today I have another interesting video for you. We've come a long way since the first smartphones came out. Now the smartphones come with 4K cameras, image stabilizer, with better audio. They're better with low light. So the question is, can you get rid of the old big cameras and just use a smartphone to vlog? Let's find out. Today, I have the notorious, the despicable, the famous iPhone X, or is it iPhone 10? Whatever. Let's see how a daily vlog will look using just the iPhone X. Check it out. Getting a haircut, looking fresh. My man Breezy here giving me the cut. I'm using the front camera of my iPhone. As you can see, it's my phone.
But when DeAndre plays against the Warriors, they put Draymond in the
What do you think?
Stretch him away from the basket.
So I'm in South Florida. I came to the farmer's market to test out my iPhone. There are a few things we have to consider when making a vlog. Number one is the sound. Number two, the stabilizer. So I'm moving. Hopefully the camera is not shaking too much. Also, the sound is very important. I'm right next to a busy road. So the microphone of the iPhone might be picking all the sounds around me and not directional. So that's something to keep in mind when you do a vlog. So, you know, can the phone do the job? You know, let's see. I think my smoothie is ready. Let's go and pick it up. Thank you, sorry. So now that I got my haircut, I got my smoothie, it's time for some lunch. And here I am at Tacos Al Carbone. It's a food truck. Let's try them out. I brought my food to the beach. Let's see how the tacos taste. Whoa, check this out. I have to say, it's really good. Delicious. See what happens if I run. Will it shake too much or what? So let's do this together. So is it shaking too much? You tell me. This should be the best phone of 2018. At least that's what Apple claims. The size is more convenient to carry an iPhone in your pocket than a big camera. The sound, I don't think it will sound as clear as if you have like a Rode mic or any professional microphone like that. But, you know, we do the best we can. Stabilizer is not bad. You can get 60 frames per second to get some slow motion. You can also get 4K. So, you know, it's convenient though. And that's the number one thing for me, convenience. I don't like to carry big, you know, tripods and cameras and microphones. If I'm able to vlog with just an iPhone, that is something great. So you guys tell me, you guys are watching the video, It was just one day vlogging just to test out the iPhone X. So let me know. Guys, I'm sweating too much. I don't think I can do this any longer because I have long pants. I'm in shoes. So, you know, I didn't come prepared to the beach, but, you know, I had a good time. So let's see how this looks. Something I like about the iPhone X are the colors. They look so crisp, so vibrant, and that's without any color correction. The videos you saw are straight off the iPhone without any corrections. Something I have to say is that the sound doesn't compare to one of those professional microphones like the Rode mic or something similar, but you can always use like a Zoom H1 and still fits in your pocket, and use a lavalier microphone, put it inside your clothes, and that's it. You can still vlog using just the Zoom H1 and the iPhone X. If having just a smartphone will help you out to make more videos, put them out there, go for it. Why? Because the quality of the video is not as bad. You can have 60 frames per second. The colors are great. The stabilizer is amazing. The quality of the sound is not as good, but that's something you can solve using a lavalier mic. So, should you replace the old big camera and just use the smartphone? It's up to you, but it is a great idea and it's something you can do with the iPhone X. There you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up and always take it easy.